So we can increase toe touch by massaging and stretching his hamstrings, but we just sacrifice stability and strength. So we want to increase strength, which will help these lengthen as he goes forward, which increases range of motion and stability. So it's this motion, not this motion. Yep, and don't strangle her. So keep those there, let those go. So model it for him, and your force is there. Okay, so there is your demo of how we can increase range of motion without decreasing strength. We're increasing range of motion by increasing strength, which is what we should do all the time. Roll back over.